Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be building a portfolio. Now, before you think, oh, I'm building, personal portfolio, it's going to be for someone else. It's a project that we're going to be working on today. So the index.html is already provided, and again, I'll quickly go through that, and I can also leave that in the comments if you guys need the code for this. But uh, we're going to be writing the CSS to make this look a little bit better, okay? So in this project, you'll use your knowledge of CSS visual rules to create rule sets and improve the appearance of a photography portfolio site. If you get stuck during this project or would like to see an experienced developer work through it, you can simply hit get unstuck. Alright, so the first thing is look over the HTML and then review the different HTML elements that you may have to work with. So I see the head, there's no title in there. Here's the body, class of header, about me, class of title. Okay, alright, so not too bad. And then start by making the header section stand out a bit more. So select the header elements and make its back, okay, and then make the background color of cornflower blue. So cornflower blue. Okay, yeah, cornflower blue by using the background color property. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, there you go. Done with that. Now change the header aligned to the top and then make sure to center it. Okay, so we'll do the text align and then we'll have it centered. So it's nice right there. Alright. Next, use CSS to make the paragraph have a larger text size. So we're going to do the dot about me. And then you're going to have the, we're going to select the font size and we're going to set it to 20 pixels there. There you go. Okay, so this is a lot bigger, pretty nice. And then, yep, and then the dot about me paragraph looks a little dark against the light blue. So let's go ahead and within the dot or the dot about me selector, use the opacity. And we're going to set it to 0.5. There you go. Alright, and then in the project section, make the project titles bold. So we're going to do the dot title and we're going to basically make the font weight, add a font weight to bold. There you go, that's going to make them bold. That's pretty nice. And then I'm going to go ahead and yeah, that's what I did. Okay, cool. And then here we go. Change the main title color so that it matches the background color a little bit more. So select the color for H1 elements and change it to Azure. So we'll do the H1 and we'll change the color to Azure. Save it. Beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. That looks very nice. Okay, then instead of the page being in the default times font, change the font of the entire page. So select the body elements and we're going to do font family is going to be Georgia. Looking way nicer now. Okay. And then finally, let's go ahead and make the background of the page more interesting. So within the body selector, set the background image with this URL. Let's see, okay, this URL, okay. Okay, there you go. It's the hypnotize background there. And then great work. Feel free to keep coding and edit the visual rules to personalize the style sites. It actually looks really nice right now. Honestly, it looks very nice from before we had. But yeah, that's gonna go ahead and end it. So this was, a portfolio project. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. If you did enjoy this, make sure to do like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one and have a fantastic day.